Alright, so I was at Harbor Freight not too long ago, and with their free coupon, I picked up a set of these because I didn't have them, and I just felt like it. So you can normally get these for about $2 to $3 depending on whatever sale they're having, or free. They're commonly found with the coupon. It's just a basic screwdriver set. Go ahead and open this up. And it is item number 62570. There's the associated sizes you get. Ergonomic handle, chrome shafts, magnetic tips, and a lifetime warranty, which, God forbid, you actually break one of these, which I'm sure is not all that difficult to do. You could go back and get another one. So let's see what we got here. The handles themselves are really lightweight. Plastic looks to be just a basic molded plastic. The shafts themselves seem to be decent enough quality. But of course, as it is with any screwdrivers, how well the tips themselves will hold up. Now, at this price point, it really doesn't matter. You could, with regular usage, get anywhere from, 3-6 months, maybe a year out of them, and you'll never have an issue. But given that the price point on these is so cheap to begin with, it's really not a huge deal one way or the other if they break or not. So that being said, let's go ahead and test some of these out. I've got a small ceiling fan here that I'm in the process of taking apart, and I already removed the retaining pin. So now I'm just going to remove that piece. So now I'm going to actually test this fan, but I'm not going to show that in this video. I mean, it seems to work okay just as a regular ass screwdriver. Nothing too surprising here. So anyways, everything is about the same quality. But of course, how long you're going to get out of these, there's really no telling. I think for the price point, they're definitely worth the money. You guys can see the Pittsburgh that's been molded into the handle there. But as far as, certainly there's better screwdrivers out there, but hey, if you've got the coupon and you feel like picking them up, I think they're worth it for that price. The machining looks okay even. Again, I'm looking at this without any sort of rose-colored glasses on. A little bit of rounding on one of the corners here. But definitely good for a good beater set of screwdrivers. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Stay tuned for more.